Would you believe that this keto bread alternative is only made with 3 ingredients? The first ingredient is eggs. You'll need 4 of them in a large bowl and an electric mixer or a whisk and very strong arms. Beat the eggs until they double in size and become a pale yellow color. Basically, you just want to incorporate as much air as possible into the eggs. Now to make the quote-unquote bread rise, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, then beat again until combined. And the final ingredient is 1 cup of tahini, which is a condiment made from roasted and ground sesame seeds. It has a savory, nutty flavor that I personally love. If you've never tried it before, I recommend it. At this point, you could also add a pinch of salt or some other seasonings if you want a specific flavor. Otherwise, just blend until combined, then pour the batter into a loaf pan greased and lined with parchment paper, and bake at 350 Fahrenheit for around 30 minutes. It's kind of crazy how much this looks like a loaf of bread when it comes out of the oven. And it's even crazier how much the slices look like normal bread. I'll be honest though, there was a distinct egg smell and flavor, but the tahini helps to neutralize that, so I think this could be a good alternative for sandwiches if you can't eat regular bread. And guess what? We wrote a book. Click the link in the description to get your copy.